Hi everyone, it's Abigail here, and today's day one for the video series challenge, which I am super excited about. I have been wanting to launch courses for quite some time now, and that's definitely how I see myself using a video series. I just recently completed my family herbalist certification. I'm working on my master herbalist degree, and I want to launch an herbal first aid course of some sort in the spring, and so I definitely see myself using the video series for that. I know we're going to talk about topics tomorrow, but that's already broiling around in my head. I want to use the video series maybe as the impact piece into that particular course. And so I would use it kind of as a combo, as an opt-in as well. Although I have no idea even how to create an opt-in, I'm not very technically advanced like that. So I'm looking forward to learning how this process works and the steps I need to take to make it happen. And I'm looking forward to hearing how this goes for everybody else as well. Thanks so much, you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.